welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, this channel is about all health benefits, what you can do, what you can drink, and go natural, guys. No soda over here. So guys, today I'm gonna make a grapefruit juice with pineapple. I've cut the pineapple already, and some carrot, apples, and I'm gonna add a lemon to it. So let's get into cutting up. Well, I only have to cut the pineapple up and peel the grapefruit. So let's get into it. So guys, let's start by coring the apple. So I'm just gonna put everything in that glass bowl as we go along. So guys, we are gonna go ahead now and peel our grapefruit. I'm using a smaller knife today, which is knife coming to a set. So guys, you don't have to add grapefruit to this drink. If you're on medication that the grapefruit will cause a problem, please consult your doctor, but this drink is very good. So I'm just gonna cut this in half, just like that, and then it will allow it to go in the juicer more easier. As for the pineapple, which is half, I'm going to do the same, but I am gonna use the skin. I never throw away my skin, guys. And this is gonna make a lovely drink. This is an all-in-one drink. And nevertheless, guys, so guys, let's start loading my juicer. So I'll go in with my grapefruit first. So guys, as you know, the carrot is good for our eyes, and the grapefruit give a healthy, glowing skin. So guys, if you're on medication, please do not add grapefruit to it. Check with your GP first and see what he says about it, especially people on statin. So guys, let me add some more fruits and keep going. So we're gonna add a carrot. So as we watch this machine spin and crush this carrot, hope you guys are enjoying this video. Everything is incorporating very nicely in the mixing bowl. So guys, I'm gonna add my turmeric, an apple, a day keep the doctor away, some grapefruits. And guys, these drinks also boost your immune system, and the grapefruit is good because it helps with the healing of wound. So now we're adding more pineapples, and pineapples are good for inflammation in the body. So guys, this is a Covin Revo 830. Let's let out the first batch of fruit. Look at that, guys. pineapple, apple, carrot, turmeric, grapefruit, and we're gonna add the lemon in the second batch. Now we're gonna add some pineapples and apples, the leftover, and continue with our juicing. Look how beautiful, guys, this drink look. So that's the pineapple and the apple together. Now we're gonna add another carrot. And guys, it's almost time for the second batch of juice. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more carrot and apple and keep going. So guys, big up and bless up, and I hope everyone is enjoying this video. So let's keep going. So guys, with the turmeric and the pineapple, this is a very powerful drink, and all the rest of ingredients. So guys, this is our second batch of juice. Let's go. Look at that, guys, how healthy that look. So it's a beautiful combination, guys. So guys, I'm gonna use a funnel to put in my glass so the drink won't spill. That is it, guys. That's the juice. So guys, that's the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel for more, guys. See you in the next video. I've used some of the grapefruit to decorate it, but as you know, I added carrot, and you watched the full video, so you know all what I added. So guys, I hope you will like this video. Leave a comment, give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend.